Shout out to our great Ontario farmers. Home economist and cookbook author Emily Richards joins us now with some of her favorite ways to grill what they grow. And you've been grilling out in the humidity.
The humidity, everything's up.
Okay, we're going to start off with a grilling basket. So what have you done? What have you prepared in here?
So these are those tender vegetables right now, zucchini, cherry tomatoes that everyone doesn't know what to do with. Get them in a grill basket. I put some shallots in there, garlic, and get them on the grill. And then add your pasta. Cook your pasta and then throw it in the grill basket.
Okay, just to heat it up a little bit?
Just to heat it up a little bit, get those flavors going. And we added some white beans in here too, so that's a great vegetarian main course.
Okay, so I'm just going to throw in some arugula.
You're going to throw in some greens. So if you have some spinach in the garden, this is arugula. And I know a lot of people at home have their herbs in abundance right now. So you can make a variety of different pestos, and this would be fabulous in here too. I brought some, I had so much basil. I brought some of my basil pesto.
Okay, that's in here?
That just makes, and that just makes a lovely sauce.
Now, if I put it on here, it's going to all drip down to
yeah, so you could do that in, you could do that in the bowl.
Afterwards.
Exactly, exactly.
So much going on.
For sure. And then corn. Right now, I mean, you can drive down the road and pick up that delicious Ontario corn. So we've grilled it, and I'm going to get you to start cutting it off. The cobs, and the cobs I want you to keep, because those, you can throw these in the freezer if you can't get to it right away. It makes a delicious corn chowder. Just simmer it in some milk and broth.
Okay, I have never thought, because I just put them in the composter.
Yes, no, they let them simmer away because there's so much flavor, and you're going to get that lovely grilled corn flavor in your chowder as well. And then you can add additional corn. So while the corn was grilling, I put on an Ontario turkey breast too, because we wanted to have, this is a full meal salad.
Okay.
And we have so many amazing things that grow in Ontario, and we also have beautiful proteins. So this is been marinated, and I grilled it, and it's going to go in with our grilled corn as well. So once that grill is on, just kind of, grab those vegetables that you picked up at the market and put them on the grill, because it adds so much flavor. And even if it's raining,
like the ones this morning,
you can be grilling, which is absolutely fabulous.
Now, what's your tips for grilling the corn? Do you leave it in the husk?
You can definitely. I usually remove some of the silk, so just open up, pull back the husk, and remove the silk, and then you can put it back on. I like to soak them in a little bit of water first, just so that I don't have any big flare-ups. So you can definitely do that, and usually in about 10 minutes you get this beautiful steamed grilled corn. Now, I love that char. This is actually something that I didn't like as a child. My dad would always put corn on the grill.
Okay.
And I just thought, oh, it's burnt, but it adds such a beautiful flavor and color to salads, and even just to side dishes. So you can grill extra corn.
I'm just gonna have some raw.
Oh yeah, please do. I'm gonna put this lovely warm turkey in there too.
It's so sweet this year.
It is. It's absolutely wonderful. There we are. And then I'm going to get you to put the salad dressing and all those other lovely ingredients in there. So that's just a little bit of mayonnaise, chili powder, and a little bit of vinegar that goes in there. And then I'm going to get you to add some feta and red onion. And I have, believe it or not, I have a little bit of cilantro in my garden. So really, it did okay this year, so I was pretty happy. And then I'm just going to tear some right in here, because this just adds a nice little bit of flavor. If you have parsley or mint, even a little bit of oregano in here would be absolutely delicious. Okay. So it's just a nice way to show
whole thing
off.
Of feta in
yeah, put it all in there. It's going to taste delicious. And this is great if you're looking for something a little bit different to bring to a potluck. Make it ahead. This is great cold or warm.
Okay.
And so you can, it does have that full meal feel to it, but if you're having it with other veggies and other proteins, it's absolutely wonderful.
I can't wait to dig into this
later. And we
later.
can't forget about dessert.
Okay.
Because you can grill lots and lots of fruit, and I'm actually going to give you this so that you can actually snack on it.
Why don't we, okay, I'm going to put this back
There we are.
Here.
Fresh peaches, in season right now, Ontario peaches. You take a bite of them and they drip down. I did it earlier, but I tidied myself up. And by putting it on the grill, it just has an added sweetness to it, and it's warm, and it's absolutely wonderful. So this has a little bit of, I made a little butter sauce with brown sugar and a little bit of Ontario mascarpone cheese. You could use cream cheese and a little bit of whipped cream, ice cream even, would be absolutely delicious, and it's a wonderful summer menu, all from Ontario.
Oh, thank you again to our farmers. Thanks to you, Emily.
Thank
you.
We'll
get the links up for all of these recipes. So good. Go to your local produce stand.
Yes.
Support our local farmers.
Definitely, 100%. I know, it's nice and drippy.